For years, BMW's ZF 8-speed automatic transmission has been praised as one of the greatest automatic transmissions ever built. Whether it's installed in a 330i, M340i, 540i, X3, X5, or even the Toyota Supra, enthusiasts constantly describe it as smooth, quick, and incredibly reliable. Some owners even call it bulletproof. But recently, more BMW owners are starting to report expensive transmission repairs, strange shifting behavior, and repair bills reaching thousands of dollars. So what changed? Is the transmission actually unreliable, or are owners unknowingly creating the very problems they're trying to avoid? The truth is far more interesting. The ZF 8-speed itself is an incredibly well-engineered transmission. In fact, most failures don't happen because of a bad design. They happen because owners believe one dangerous myth that has been repeated for years, that the transmission never needs servicing. Today we're breaking down why this myth exists, what actually goes wrong inside the ZF 8-speed, the warning signs you should never ignore, and the simple maintenance that could save you thousands of dollars. One of the biggest reasons these transmissions fail earlier than expected is the idea of lifetime transmission fluid. BMW and several manufacturers describe the transmission fluid as lifetime fill, leading many owners to believe it never needs to be changed. But here's the problem. Transmission fluid isn't magic. Every time the transmission shifts gears, the clutch packs create tiny amounts of friction. Over thousands of miles, microscopic clutch material, metal particles, and heat slowly break down the fluid's protective qualities. Even though the transmission may continue shifting smoothly, the fluid gradually loses its ability to lubricate and cool the internal components. The transmission doesn't suddenly fail one day. Instead, it builds slowly over tens of thousands of miles until harsh shifts, hesitation, or internal damage begins appearing. Independent BMW specialists almost universally recommend changing the transmission fluid long before problems develop, because fresh fluid is dramatically cheaper than replacing a transmission. Another common mistake happens during spirited driving. The ZF 8-speed is incredibly capable and reacts almost instantly to throttle input. That confidence often encourages drivers to launch the car repeatedly, perform aggressive downshifts, or constantly use Sport Plus mode. While the transmission was engineered for performance, repeated hard launches generate enormous amounts of heat inside the torque converter and clutch packs. Heat is one of the biggest enemies of any automatic transmission. Modern electronics do an excellent job protecting the gearbox, but repeated abuse combined with neglected fluid changes slowly reduces the lifespan of internal components. The occasional spirited drive isn't the problem. It's making every drive feel like a race while ignoring maintenance afterward. One warning sign owners frequently overlook is a small hesitation when shifting from park into drive or reverse. At first, it may only last a fraction of a second, making it easy to dismiss. But hesitation can sometimes indicate aging transmission fluid, low hydraulic pressure, or wear beginning inside the valve body. Many drivers continue using the vehicle for months because the transmission still works well most of the time. Unfortunately, small symptoms rarely stay small forever. What begins as an occasional hesitation can gradually become rough engagement, delayed shifting, or expensive internal if ignored for too long. Software also plays a much larger role than many people realize. Modern BMW transmissions rely heavily on adaptive learning. Over time, the transmission continuously adjusts shift timing and pressure based on driving habits. Sometimes owners notice strange shifting after replacing the battery, updating software, or disconnecting power. In many cases, the transmission simply needs time to relearn driver behavior. But outdated software can also contribute to poor shift quality. That's why professional diagnostics are important before replacing expensive parts. Sometimes the solution isn't mechanical at all. Modified BMWs present another interesting situation. The B58 engine responds extremely well to tuning, and many owners increase horsepower by 100 or even 200 horsepower with simple ECU software. The ZF 8-speed is remarkably strong and capable of handling impressive power. but every additional pound-foot of torque increases stress on the transmission. Drivers who install performance tunes without servicing the transmission first are asking much more from components that may already have 80,000 or 100,000 miles of wear. Successful high-horsepower builds usually include more frequent transmission servicing because experienced enthusiasts understand that maintenance becomes even more important as performance increases. Temperature is another silent killer. During mountain driving, towing, track events, or extremely hot weather, transmission temperatures rise significantly. Although the cooling system manages heat well under normal conditions, dirty fluid loses its ability to carry heat away efficiently. High temperatures accelerate fluid breakdown even faster, creating a cycle where worn fluid causes more heat, and more heat wears the fluid even further. That's why many long-term BMW owners choose preventative maintenance instead of waiting for warning lights that may never appear until damage has already occurred. Another expensive mistake involves ignoring small leaks. The transmission pan on many ZF 8-speed units is made from composite material with an integrated filter. Over time, seals can age and minor leaks may develop. Because automatic transmission fluid doesn't always drip dramatically onto the ground, many owners never notice the fluid level slowly decreasing. Even a small loss of fluid can reduce hydraulic pressure and affect shift quality. Regular inspections during oil changes often catch these problems before they become major repairs. Buying a used BMW with the ZF 8-speed also requires careful attention. A low-mileage vehicle isn't automatically the better purchase. A car with documented transmission servicing at reasonable intervals is often a safer investment than one with fewer miles, but no maintenance history. Service records tell you how the previous owner treated the car, and that's usually a better predictor of long-term reliability than mileage alone. The good news is that despite everything we've discussed, the ZF 8-speed remains one of the best automatic transmissions ever produced. Mechanics consistently praise its smooth operation, impressive durability, and ability to handle both luxury driving and serious performance. Most owners who experience well over 150,000 miles without major transmission repairs have one thing in common: they don't wait for problems to appear. They replace fluids proactively, investigate unusual symptoms early, avoid unnecessary abuse when the transmission is cold, and understand that no mechanical component truly lasts forever without maintenance. So is there really a hidden problem with BMW's ZF 8-speed transmission? Yes, but it isn't poor engineering. The real problem is the belief that it's maintenance-free. That single misconception has likely cost BMW owners millions of dollars in avoidable repairs over the years. The transmission itself is exceptionally capable, but like every sophisticated piece of engineering, it depends on clean fluid, proper temperatures, and routine care. Ignore those basics, and even one of the world's best transmissions can become an expensive headache. Respect its maintenance needs, and the ZF 8-speed will likely reward you with years of smooth, reliable performance that few other automatic transmissions can match.